Hi from Paul Simon and Entrepreneurial Grit. As we are just got, I thought I'd demonstrate our packaging. We've just got our first target to start storing on slat racking, wall racking, with the 18 key fobs and the StepRack wall unit have got here, but all packaged and branded and ready and good to go. So it's the endeavours and the timeline of how long it takes to get to these points. It's all interesting, and what you have to do is keep knocking and applying yourself and introducing your products, and then lo and behold you get the order. So yeah, don't lose heart in what you're trying to do and achieve, especially with a product, especially when you want to try and build a brand, especially when you're trying to introduce something that's unique, as we have here with StepRack. It's got 18 keys and some with a 3D print sample to show you that the injection moulding's coming along with the QR codes. So it's a suspension file unit or a wall unit, and we're now trying to really push this product and brand forward. So I just thought I'd share that with you today, and wish you all the best for your day. See you soon. Thanks from Paul Simon, Entrepreneurial Grit. Speak to you soon. Bye.